Here for buying this 21940-70 dog display from Fixtured Displays. This is a fairly small piece of art. It's made from sheet metal powder coated black. This is really cute design, and within this family of 21940 we have many other designs and shapes. So I encourage you browse fixturedisplays.com for other designs, and you can simply type in 21940 to pull up the other choices. In addition, Fixtured Displays offer a variety of other products and services for businesses and consumers. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like us, subscribe, remember to leave a good seller feedback along with a product review. Thank you once again for shopping Fixtured Displays.